I'm waiting breakpoint now.
Okay. Right.
20 locked.
Hmm?
20 locked packs.
Yeah, I've got 18. Yeah.
Means I have more tradable stuff than you will.
Well, of
I got
course,
a
you've got 100. I've got 60.
I got a hollow sycamore.
What?
And
A reverse sycamore.
yeah, reverse hollow.
Okay.
And a hypno. Damn.
Okay, open the first one.
I'm just gonna keep going.
Yeah, just keep going.
You can just go whenever you want.
I got a potion.
Oh, I got Mega.
Oh, I got another Greninja.
Really?
I've got so many Greninjas.
I'd rather Greninja than the Gyarados. It's not even full art. Looks ugly too.
Man, Gyarados is a fat worm.
Normal Greninja. Yuck.
Zeb Striker. Oh, I got my first Misty's Determination.
I got a few of those already. I got first bursting balloon.
Really?
Yeah. Another Greninja. God. Wait, you didn't get the break, right?
Huh?
You
No,
didn't
no,
get
no.
the break.
There's a
Yeah.
normal one. I got a Trubbish. I can use my Garbodors now.
I'm getting nothing. Except that Gyarados.
I got a reverse Ferrothorn, and then my rare was a Ferrothorn.
Nice.
Yes, very, very good.
How many you on now?
I don't know. I've opened 2 packs.
Oh, Espeon.
Oh,
Not full
nice.
art. Not full art though.
Seismitoad. Reverse.
Well,
And a Luxray.
my first splash energy? No way. And I have a hollow one. Or reverse.
Oh. You got the reverse splash energy before you got the normal one.
Yeah. Oh, Eradicate.
Oh, I got another Greninja. Far out. How many do I have? I've got 3 tradable Greninjas and 5 untradable.
And I just want Darkrai and Skylar.
Yeah.
And Scizor.
Hmm.
I want Scizors as well.
I just want the Trevenant. Like another Trubbish.
Meganium.
Oh, so good. And another Luxray.
Pokemon Catcher, my first one. Oh, Garbodor.
Oh, nice, nice.
Embor EX. Wow, I'm getting a lot. Sort of.
I
It's
got a
not
Trevenant,
full art.
but the regular Trevenant that no one really uses.
Man, I need more full arts. I've opened 12, I got 3 EXs so far, I think.
I got another Trevenant for the
Oh,
rare.
Garchomp.
Oh, nice.
Reverse Solo Garchomp.
Oh, reverse.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I like the Hollow better though.
Yeah.
Not a fan of Reverse Solo.
Ooh, my first Spirit Link besides that. Oh, shit.
Oh, another Garchomp.
Drapion. I've got like nothing worth trading. So far.
Well, we're still on lock packs though.
Yeah, yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah, that's right, yeah. Clefable.
Oh, full art Mega Scizor.
Oh, nice.
Have you really got nothing so far?
I really just got nothing.
Yeah, I've got 4 now. Yeah, I've got 4 now. I'll have to check. Another Garchomp, Jesus.
Oh, I got another Drapion.
It says 3 Garchomps now.
I've still got 7 lock packs.
Oh, now I can use a fighting deck. I don't have to use the theme deck anymore. I hate the theme deck.
Far out. I got Eradicate. That's something, I guess.
Yeah, not really.
I can make the Eradicate
Hey.
deck.
Max Potion, Max Elixir. Not bad.
Shift tree. Oh, it's my first regular, shift tree.
Seismitoad.
Yeah.
Hey, it's been ages since I've seen a Toad deck. Have
Really?
you noticed that? I haven't seen one in a long time.
Did they all move to playing Greninja or something?
Yeah, probably. But toads are still just as annoying, or more
Yeah.
annoying.
Suicune, Elastic. Ah, nothing.
I'm up to my tradable packs now.
Oh, wait. Oh, this is my first best balloon. uh,
Good night, baby Hypno. 4 now.
I'm still in my lockbacks. Got 3 to go. I keep getting these. I keep getting the like uncommons or higher in the reverse slot.
Isn't that normal?
I'm like, I keep getting it though, but they're always useless things.
Yeah, but it's normal. Not supposed to always get good stuff there.
But
Another
it's not normal
Greninja.
to get nothing. Oh,
Yeah, true.
actually, it
Good
is.
point. Alright, oh, that's what you meant.
Yeah. Oh my! I got
Oh,
my first delinquent.
Togekiss.
Oh,
Togekiss EX.
nice. So how many EXs?
I think 5.
What the hell?
5. I've opened 24. It's not bad. 1 in 5 ratio. Oh, Garbodor.
What? uh.
You really get nothing
Yes, I'm really getting nothing.
on those swap packs.
Oh, I got a slow king. I guess that's my fourth
You need
slow
more
king
max
that
elixirs.
I have. I can have another slow king to move more energies. uh,
Sudowoodo. Aegislash.
okay, I'm on my actually I've opened like one tradable pack. And yeah, still nothing.
Reverse Hollow. Fighting Fury. Another Garbodor. Jeez.
Oh my god. What the hell?
What am I on now? Well, I have one of the old ones too. So I have 3
Ooh.
Garbodors.
Oh,
What?
it's a Greninja break.
Yeah, that's still good.
It's alright. I guess it's not the break I wanted though.
I mean, I'm not getting the ones I want. I want Darkrai Scissors, man.
It's camera.
Seismitoad, why?
Yeah. Okay, press done.
Max Potion.
38 packs
Oh,
to go.
nothing. Can I get something of value, please?
The value you've gotten is like far outdoes mine.
Yeah, but like, they're all garbage. Or like, they're nothing that I'm interested
like
in.
Obador.
Hey, my first Trevenant. Oh yeah, this is a crap Trevenant.
Yeah, you need the old one.
Yeah, I like the old one's a lot more annoying.
Yeah.
Oh, another Espeon. Jesus. It's my second Espeon.
Still got nothing. No EXs.
Wow. Can I get a full art at least?
Oh, I got another Raticate.
Nice.
If that counts for something. Okay. Stick. Another one.
I haven't got a break yet. Oh, Ho-Oh EX. Holy crap, I'm getting so many. I think I'm on 7 now.
Stop stealing my EXs.
Oh, we should do this more often.
Yes.
Another Trevenant.
Hey, this Dunsparce art looks really good. I like it.
I forgot what it looks like.
Have a look at it when it comes up next.
Oh, Scizor EX, finally.
Oh, I got my first EX!
What is it?
It's a Togekiss. Fucking hell.
Finally got one Scizor for my expanded deck.
It's a slow king. I can trade him away now.
I've got a set of max elixirs.
The reverse slow king.
How many puzzle of time do I have? I have a lot.
Puzzle of time. Oh, I just got my fourth one.
I got 4 locked ones.
I got a max elixir.
Oh,
I got a Darkrai!
oh no! It's a full art?
No,
That
not
doesn't matter.
that.
Yeah.
It matters to me, okay? uh,
So many Lilligans.
really? I haven't gotten one.
I think I've got 3 in this pack opening.
Yeah. Okay,
Oh,
I've got around like 28 to go.
feels so good to open packs again after so many weeks.
How many are you on?
Hold on. Oh, Trevenant Break.
Oh!
Uh, Trevenant Break. I'm on 55.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
I just got to slow down a bit. I've got like 28 to go. 27?
I need more breaks. Or like
Yeah.
more everything.
I gotta reverse my game. How many do I have?
Oh,
One.
another scissor. They're not full art. Come on, game. I've got
Okay.
1 full art so far.
I've got no full art so far.
Yeah, but you have Darkrai. I wanted Darkrai.
But it's not full art.
Doesn't matter. Even the normal one looks okay.
Yeah.
I'm getting a lot of crappy Pengoros.
I think I've only found one. Or two? Maybe. So,
Wow, my first slow, bro.
BREAKpoint. Yeah. Yeah, Darkrai looks like.
Oh, Ferrothorn. What's this do? Ah, right. Ooh. Break, please. Break. Oh, I got a break. Greninja break.
Oh, I got Ninja Break. Oh, I got a Trevenant Break! Oh, finally! I got one. I need more. How do you need for a deck? 3?
3, yeah. Wow, my first Golduck. You almost done?
Oh, I got my 4th Raticate. About 25 packs to go.
Can I get a Darkrai, please? Skylar. Or
What?
full up.
Skylar?
Full up. I want one.
Oh, okay.
God, enough Hypnos. I got 5 now.
How many Substrikers do I have? 3. Another.
Oh, full up Darkrai. Oh.
What? You bitch! Oh.
Oh my god.
I hate you so much.
Oh. Wow.
I'm gonna rest all my party. Another hit, no.
Meganium. Oh, another Espeon. Jesus. This is my 3rd non-full art Espeon.
Just make a put it Espeon in a deck. Yes.
Yeah. I'll make one around it, maybe. Oh, that's the ugly Gyarados X. It's a non-full art, ugly one.
I think the only one that looks good is the secret.
I don't like the secret. I like the normal full art one.
Oh.
The secret one's just
I like
toys.
It's got the other Pokemon cameos, you know.
Yeah, but I
Which
don't.
is nice.
But they just look like toys.
Oh, I got a Golduck break.
Another Garbodor. That's my 4th one.
I've been having more luck if I open, like, if I flip over the rare first.
I'm gonna try that once. See what
Oh, I got another Greninja break.
Yeah. Oh, Mega Scissor.
That's
Damn.
my third Greninja break.
A
In
non-full art
like
Mega
overall.
Scissor. Wish I could trade away my full art one. Oh, my first looking.
Slowking and Aegis Slash. How many packs to go?
What?
How many packs to go?
35.
Okay. Like around 17 here. Oh my god, it's my first Fighting Fury belt.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow.
I have destroyed too many of them.
Oh,
It is my
reverse
turn.
hollow max potion. And Lilligant. Oh, Jesus. Can I stop getting Lilligants?
Another Slowking.
Well, I haven't got an uncommon or higher for the reverse hollow in a while.
Oh.
I can't do the trick that you said.
I got my
Oh
I don't
my
know which one
god,
is. I
come
think
on.
5th Eradicate. No, overall. Or the 4th. Can't remember. I think I've put enough Eradicates now.
Wow, come on. Well, I have 15 phantoms.
15 Phantoms.
S-
Uh,
30 packs to go. Yeah,
oh, I got a reverse Tiano.
I'm in a dry spell right now.
Yeah. Well, I've always been in a dry spell.
Yeah, I took all of your ones.
Uh,
Yay. Another seismitoad. Holy crap, it's been... Can I do the trick? Another scissor. My third one.
what?
That's my third one.
Wait, so how many scissors have you got?
3 non-full arts.
Oh,
Yeah. Unfortunate.
another Slowking. I've got 6 Slowkings
Oh!
now.
Full art Mega Gyarados.
Wait, have you got 3 Mega Gyarados now? Or
I have
2?
two. One non-full art and one full art.
Oh.
Too bad I don't like this deck. I mean, that card. Not my favorite.
Yeah.
Still need a Skylar.
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm waiting for my Skylar. Please.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my god, I got 2 Meganiums. Same pack. That means I've got a whole set of Meganiums now.
Oh, there's a Dunsparce.
Isn't that good?
Oh, Manaphy. Not
Ah.
non-full art Manaphy. I'm getting a lot of non-full arts. You're just getting a bunch of nothing.
Exactly. No, I'm on my last 10 packs.
Oh, Darkrai.
What the fuck?
I think that was 3 in a row. I think that was 3 X's in a row.
Oh, I got a full out Espeon. With a Eradicate break.
Oh, I can do the trick now, finally. Oh, you're a liar.
Oh, that was a good pack. Full out
3
Espeon and Eradicate break.
3 reverse hollow Garchomps. And 2 hollow.
Two in a row, 2 in a row. Yes? 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 No, it's Paragon.
Oh, another Ho.
Alright.
Can I just get a Skylar, please?
Oh, I got a reverse Splash Energy.
Or another Darkrai. I have a full set of reverse hollow Garchomps now.
Another Greninja!
Another Slowking.
I've got a total of 10 Greninjas now. Oh my
Wow.
god.
I think I only have 5. I'll check. I'm on 18 packs.
Hurry up.
How many are you on?
Let's check. 6?
Okay.
Last 6 packs. Actually, I'll go one more and then aim for the last 5.
I have a lot of Fighting Furies. Yeah, another Garbodor. I've only got one Redicate, I think.
Well, oh, I've got 3 Fighting Fury belts now. Need one more till I can. That's it.
I think I had 7. 8.
I don't think I've pulled one Lilligant.
Really? I've got so
I
many.
pulled one from before, but
I bet I'll get one right now. Oh, I did. I have 9.
yeah, I've only got one untradeable and one tradable. Those were from before. I haven't pulled one Lilligant.
I just got another one. Are you kidding me?
Oh, I have a few. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 5 packs to go. How many do you want?
11.
Okay. So bad.
Oh god.
Okay, so let's see.
I get more good stuff.
EXs and oh,
More
not grass.
more full arts, please.
Wait.
Oh god, reverse holo Lilligant. A double Lilligant pack, are you kidding me?
So I got a Darkrai. I've got an Espeon.
Are you waiting on your 5 packs?
Yes, I am. I'm just going through like what I got.
Yeah. I'll do that at the end.
I have enough to make a Greninja deck. They want me to make a Greninja deck.
I have 6 Greninjas.
Yeah. I've
7.
got a total of 3 Greninja breaks, so.
Wow. I only have 1, I think. Oh yeah, I didn't get that many breaks. Gee, I got 5 Trevenants.
Give me that Trevenant break.
I'll swap it for something. If you have something I want.
Of course I have something you want.
Oh, whoops, I opened my 5th one. My 5th
Oh,
last
right. Okay. Okay. Okay, last 5, last 5.
Have you opened your 5th one yet?
Yeah, I have my 5th one. We got Hypno. Good night, babies. Oh, and a Golduck break.
A Golduck break?
Golduck break, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, next. 4th back.
Okay.
4th last.
4th last. Boom! Eradicate.
Meowstic, and come around.
Well, I have 20 Rattatas. 21.
Okay.
Third last.
Third last. Oh, it's a Ferrothorn. How many Ferrothorns have we got? No.
Oh, Espeon. Oh, come on.
Is that 4 now?
Yeah, 4.
Okay.
And they're all non-full arts. Okay, second last.
Second last. My first Garbodor!
Oh, really?
And a Sizer.
Alright, last pack.
Last pack.
First
Last pack.
Good night, babies.
Oh, I got a Ho-Oh EX.
Oh, really?
Not full out though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that sucked.
I know, right?
I'm
All that
open.
waiting.
I'm gonna open some other packs I have.
Okay.
I'm an XY base set.
You should open your Generations pack.
No. I got energy from it. Whatever. Alright. Let's open Ancient Origins. I'll do one more Warnings, guys. I'm feeling it. Full Art Shaman's coming. Oh, Eco Arm. Dangerous Energy.
Wow.
And Garbage. Alright. Warnings, guys. Let's go. Come on.
So I opened 60 packs.
Come on, come on,
And I
come on.
got 4 EXs.
That's horrible.
That is very bad. Have
Nothing.
a look at my breaks.
Let's see what I got.
Okay, okay.
Really? I didn't even get Skylar. I have to trade someone for a Skylar.
I know, right? I got,
Mega
okay, 2
EX.
Golden breaks, 2 Greninja breaks, 1 Raticate break, and 1 Trapinette break.
Do that.
So
It's alright.
that's
Yeah.
6 breaks and 4 EXs. That's I'm not satisfied. Okay.
Break.
Mm,
Oops.
okay. Get with it. Stop.